haven't done anything this week so far. It's Wednesday now. I had to take a few days off. But I'm here today, cracking on. I'm going to concentrate on getting the MF ceilings up. So I've already gone in and done the little bathroom. So it's MF'd and insulated already. I'm going to come into the main living area now, kitchen, dining, living area and the hallway, and I'm going to crack on with that MF ceiling today. So yeah, I haven't done too much recording today. I had someone downstairs, well, somewhere else in the apartments, and he was drilling all day, driving me nuts. I've just cracked on now, get as much as I can done. I'm getting quite close to the end of the ceiling, I hope, because it's doing my nuts in. Oh, it's better now. So, got the little bathroom done. I'll just spin that around. Hang on. That was wrong one. There we go. So you got, there you go, got the bathroom ceiling, or the ensuite ceiling, all metalled with MF and insulation. And I've done that, cracked it out of that this morning. This is the bedroom you've seen. That's and coming into the kitchen dining area. Got all the perimeter done in here. through into the actual hallway, as you can see, and so I managed to start getting the brackets in, ready for the, I don't know what you call them, basically where you're going to screw the plasterboard to. I've gone, as you can see, I've gone 400 centimetres, like a nice strong ceiling. It's the end of Wednesday. I think I had a good day today, cracked on, got getting back into the swing of things. I think I'd like to get more done, but I could start at 9 o'clock and make us leave at 3, so it's it cuts me short a couple of hours. But back here tomorrow, crack on with this, with the brackets. I might do the like the joisty bits that screw to as well for the plasterboard, and insulate the hallway, and then work my way through the kitchen area and the living area. But we'll see. I'll tell you what, it's been so noisy here today. Driving me nuts. Wished I'd bought my bloody headphones. Couldn't even hear me radio playing, it was that bad. But yeah, fun games. Still can't believe that they don't put any insulation on the ceiling. It's just plastered straight to the concrete. Oh, you just hear everyone walking around upstairs. But I don't know. Obviously, I'm not from here, from the UK. We insulate fucking everything. Over the top, insulation everywhere. So, you never know. But, yeah, that's me done for today. I'll go and have a shower, get Morning guys, back here Thursday morning. Gonna crack on with the hallway ceiling, get it insulated and that, and then move my way into the kitchen living area. Try and crack this out today. Hoping to start getting some plasterboard up soon, maybe tomorrow. we'll see. I've got a lot of running around to do tomorrow, so it's can't get a lot done today basically. But yeah, I've got all the insulation up here that I've got. It's just a case of smashing it out. So let's get going. Need. thank God for that. It's the end of the day for me. It's 2:30. Got to go to look at kitchen designs and things like that. 4 o'clock, so I need to go back and have a shower before that. It's been really hot today, 30 degrees. I'm melting. But got reasonably far. Got all the hallway done up to the point for the plasterboard, like you've obviously seen in the video. Started in the kitchen area and dining area. I've been running the brackets to that, so it shouldn't take too much longer. I'll actually get in here tomorrow morning, throw some more brackets up, maybe get some full lengths in there for the plasterboard. But I've also got a hire van at 12 o'clock. Got to pick up some stuff from our garage we hired because he wants us out. I've got to bring it here to the garage we've got here. Might get some food to that tomorrow as well. But yeah, just other than that, bloody tired. So, definitely feels like it takes longer, this, the way you have to screw every bloody bracket like that, but it is what it is. I think we'll get there. Can't wait to get onto the plasterboarding so I can look like I've done loads in a day. It's alright, we'll get there. I'm just very tired right now. It's been a year off doing any building work, and yeah, I'm a bit out of practice. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.